Hello friends, I am Balaji and this is part 8 of our Gmap.net tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to see how to remove an existing overlay from your Gmap. So to remove an overlay I will add a new button. I have already added that new button and then I have set its name property to btn remove overlay and then I set its text to remove overlay. Okay. Basically, when you add a new marker or when you add a new root or polygon, basically what you are doing is you are creating an overlay. You are adding all that markers, roots, polygon to that overlay, and then finally you are adding that overlay to your Gmap. Means, suppose I go to this delimit button handler where we create a polygon and then we add that polygon to our map. Here first we create our polygon and then we created a new overlay. We add this polygon to this overlay. We are adding this polygon to this polygons overlay and then finally we are adding this polygons overlay to our map. This is for all things. For plotting markers also we have done the same thing. See, we are creating a overlay and then we are adding that overlay to our map. So in this session we are going to see how to remove an item from this overlay. So basically this overlay is a collection. See, it is a collection of Gmap overlay. So in this session we are going to see how to remove an existing overlay from that collection. Okay, so we will go to the handler of this button, double click this. In order to remove an existing overlay you can use map.overlays.remove at. You can also use remove, but if you want to use remove means you want to have the reference of the overlay which you want to delete. For example, if I want to delete an overlay of our marker means I want to have address of that marker, but here we are creating all our overlays within scope of this function, so that is not available. So for example, I am moving reference of my markers overlay as a global. So I will cut this overlay, paste it here. So now I can pass my markers to this remove function because this markers is now available as a global. Now we can pass that markers here. So I will run this application. I will load a new location, latitude, longitude, load. So now it is added one marker. Now I will press this remove overlay. It's not removed, so refresh your map by scroll up or scroll down your mouse. See, that particular overlay has gone because we are passing reference of our markers overlay to this remove method. But on our case it is very bad to declare this overlay as a global level because it's not needed to be in a global level. So I will restore my code and then instead of using this remove I will use remove at. To this remove at I want to pass the index of our overlay. So I will use 0 as my index. What is the first overlay we have added? That's present on our 0th index. So I will pass 0 as my argument. So before doing this I want to first check whether a map is having any overlay or not, because sometimes a user may click remove overlay button without even adding a new overlay. So I will first check if map dot overlays dot count is greater than 0, then use this code. and then once I remove this overlay, I want to automatically refresh my map, so I will use map dot refresh. Now I will run this code. I am going to add lot of markers, roots, polygons now. So now I have added lot of markers, roots and polygons. Now I am going to remove all those things one by one. Okay, so I will click this remove overlay. See, it is changing. Remove. See, now all my overlays get deleted. So this is the way to remove an existing overlay from your Gmap. Okay, so that's all for this session. On our next session, we are going to see how to load a particular position by using its name, not by using its latitude and longitude, but by using its name to your map. Till then, thank you and goodbye.